Hey guys, it's Big Fred and we're doing a review on the Idylis portable air conditioner. As you can see, it's running right now. It is very hot in my room. It is up to about 80 degrees. And this is it running. It's pretty quiet. It's good for white noise at nighttime. You can do dehumidifier on it, and air conditioning in fan mode. And it just goes to fan once it gets cold in here. Here's the filter. And that tube right there sucks all the heat out of the room. And this is the temperature in my room right now. It is 69 degrees. And here's all the buttons you can choose from, on and off. Different modes, fan speed, timer, up, and then you could change the temperature. And that's the indicator light to let you know the bucket's full. And this is what it comes out. Just to warn you, it's very heavy when you need to pick it up the stairs or down the stairs. And you can roll it from room to room on wheels. This is how you push this button right here to do the temperature. So anyways, thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe, comment down below. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye!